right now it's 38, but it says it feels like 28. It sure does. It sure does. Hello, I hope it isn't too windy. Hope you guys can hear me, but it is freezing. I had to rush over to my sister's house, and I need to cover up my plants because I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it is starting to snow, and also the temperature is going to drop tonight. So yeah, I have to cover up all my plants, and it's too cold to water them, so I'm not going to water them. I'm walking to the back right now to actually get the covers so I can actually, well, what are they called? Oh, I call them covers. I don't know what the exact term form is, but that is what I am looking for, or not looking for, about to do right now. Again, the temperature is going to drop tonight. It's going to get to like, I think it's going to get to like 18. So I need to cover this up. But y'all, my hands are freezing, so let me put my gloves on and I'll just prop you guys up on something while I do this. Oh, you know what? Let me show you guys what it looks like up close because everything has grown even more since the last time I showed y'all. So look at it. Look at this one. Oh my God, y'all. I'm so excited. This one. And these ones over here, still on the struggle bus, bless their hearts. And these, all the colors are doing excellent. Can't wait to get some. When I'm gonna get some, I do not know, but you know, still can't wait. Yummy, yummy. Spinach right there. And oh, you know what I saw people doing to see if their plants were still alive is like they'll scratch it to see if it's still green. Oh shoot, it ain't working for me. I need some nails, I guess. Anyways, let me put this cover on here. It has been so cold here in South Carolina. I know it seems like I'm complaining, and I am because I am not used to this. Even though I'm from Ohio, but I've been in the South for so long that I like the Southern weather. Just put it like that. I like the warm weather. Anyways, I am beating myself up because I did not start my seeds. When we had that one nice day, I said I was going to do it, but I was being lazy. Now look at me, still have not started my seeds. I'm gonna have to start my seeds indoor, which I do not like to bring any dirt or soil in my house. All right, y'all, it is freezing. I need a real coat. Here in the South, I'm not used to like wearing real coats. I think I had one on a couple of weeks ago. I had on my big fur coat. Man, it is cold. It's not like, the temperature hasn't dropped yet. So it's still, yeah, it's just cold. I'm not gonna lie, it's cold. Let me check and see what the temperature is. So right now it's 38, but it says it feels like 28. It sure does. It sure does. Let me put this cover on this. I'm not sure if I mentioned what I want to grow right now, like what seeds I want to plant. I know I want to do some carrots. Hopefully I can do carrots right now. I'm not even sure. But of course I have to direct sow those into like a raised bed. I'm going to do that. I'm also going to try to do some cauliflower. I forget, and I don't have my bin, my little seed container in front of me to let you guys know which ones I took out. You guys, I couldn't even do my outro standing outside. It's so cold. Anyways, I have everything covered up. You guys can see, like, it's freezing. My nose is red. As soon as I took my gloves off, I could feel like they pained immediately. Anyways, like I was saying, you guys know I have ADD. It's hard for me to focus on one thing when so many things are going through my brain. But anyways, yeah, so I have everything covered up. I didn't even check the soil. I'm like, I hope y'all soil is good because I'm freezing. I am freezing. But you guys, I do want to thank you all so very much for watching today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. I want you all, if you're in a cold climate, please stay warm because I'm in the South and it's freezing. Like, I mean, we get cold, but we don't typically get this cold that often. And I'm like, you guys, stay warm, stay safe. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.